What fruit is this? Is it A. Grapes, B. Strawberries, C. Blackberries, or D. Blueberries? The correct answer is A. Grapes. What fruit is this? Is it A. Peach, B. Orange, C. Mango, or D. Watermelon? The answer is D. Watermelon. What fruit is this? Is it A. Peach, B. Orange, C. Mango, or D. Lemon? The answer is B. Orange. What fruit is this? Is it A. Peach, B. Orange, C. Mango, or D. Melon? The answer is C. Mango. What fruit is this? Is it A. Peach, B. Coconut, C. Mango, or D. Lemon? We will now call your friend Sarah to help us with this question.
Hi, Sarah, it's Jake. I am at the Mastering English game show and I need your help. Please, I need your help. Can you help me answer this question?
Hi, Jake. Of course, I would love to help you. Yes, I love that fruit. The answer is B, coconut. I'm 100% sure about this one. Good luck.
What fruit is this? Is it A. Peach, B. Orange, C. Apricot, or D. Strawberries? The answer is D. Strawberries. What fruit is this? Is it A. Apple, B. Grapefruit, C. Orange, or D. Peach? The answer is A. Apple. What fruit is this? Is it A. Peach, B. Orange, C. Mango, or D. Pineapple? The correct answer is D. Pineapple. What fruit is this? Is it A. Apple, B. Banana, C. Orange, or D. Grapes? The answer is B. Banana. What fruit is this? Is it A. Grapes, B. Limes, C. Blueberries, or D. Strawberries? The answer is C. Blueberries. Good job. Thank you for participating in today's game quiz episode. Please tell us how you did and stay tuned for more fun game quizzes. Thank you.